there's part two. What I'm getting to is that if you're concerned about the Federal Reserve not having any value, you can just get a bunch of coins. I mean, yes, you can get 4 quarters for a U.S. Federal Reserve U.S. dollar, but the coins are real. They're not. They're not this thing called Federal Reserve notes. The coins are real U.S. money. We just gotta pull out the Federal Reserve to pull the carpet out from the Federal Reserve, so they can't put their Federal Reserve stamp, you might say, on their paper, on the paper bills. It's and just pretty much sever the connection from the federal government and the Federal Reserve. It's because every time, as you know, every time a dollar is created, we have to pay the Federal Reserve, I guess, authorizes the dollar to be created, and then the U.S. government's got to pay interest to the Federal Reserve for that, for them allowing that dollar to occur, to be created. It's twisted. It may be small interest, but it's still some, and that means we're just giving them money. It's a twisted system. Makes it kind of complicated. It may, maybe some people might say it's because it's so complicated it has more value. I don't like the system like that because it should be very straightforward. U.S. Mint, and then we have the U.S. military to back up our money. I'm not saying we should go around and destroy other countries, of course, to make them take our money, but I'm just saying that we have a U.S. military to back it up. If someone says, your money isn't worth anything, saying yes, we can say yes, it does. And see this gun, it does. You can't say it doesn't. And we don't have to trade with them. I'm just saying it has value because we say it does. All right, that's the end of the video. So if you're concerned, you can just get a bunch of coins. And I want to point something out, is that if you get a bunch of coins from a bank, I think they'll charge you more money than what they're worth to get the coins. They'll charge you more than if you ask for paper. I think I've done this. They'll actually charge me more money to get a bunch of rolls of quarters if I want coins than if I just want paper. Maybe it's handling costs, whatever, but the point of it is somebody thinks they have more value. Probably, like, maybe it's handling costs because it weighs more and they gotta ship it, in trucks. But anyway, just a thought.